Hello friends, in the last video we studied about force and inertia. बल आणि जडत्व या दोन घटकांचा अभ्यास आपण मागील व्हिडिओ मध्ये केला. Today we will learn about an important effect of force, that is pressure. दाब या घटकाचा अभ्यास आपण आज करणार आहोत. प्रयोग करण्यासाठी प्रयोगशाळेचीच आवश्यकता नसते. With the help of the equipments that are present in our house, we can easily carry out experiments. आजच्या व्हिडिओमधून आपण हेच शिकूया. एखाद्या मोठ्या व्यक्तीच्या देखरेखीखाली आपण सहजपणे हे प्रयोग करून बघू शकतो.
Let us study about pressure. दाब या भौतिक राशीचा अभ्यास आज आपण करणार आहोत. First of all, let us see what is the definition of pressure. The force exerted perpendicularly on a unit area is called pressure. एकक पृष्ठभागावर लंबरूपाने कार्य करणाऱ्या बलास दाब असे म्हणतात. We are considering only the force acting on an area in a direction perpendicular to it. एखाद्या पृष्ठभागावर लंबरूपाने कार्य करणाऱ्या बलाचा अभ्यास आपण करणार आहोत. With the help of some experiments, let us understand the concept of pressure. Let us try to understand pressure with the help of a very simple experiment. For this experiment, we need a hammer, we need a piece of wood, and two very sharp iron nails. Let us try to push these iron nails into the piece of wood. First of all, let us push the iron nail into the piece of wood from its pointed part. You can see that the iron can be pushed into the piece of wood from its pointed part very easily. Now, let us try to push the iron nail from its head part into the wood. You can see that the iron nail cannot be pushed into the wood from its head part. खिळ्याच्या टोकाकडील भागाकडून तो सहजपणे लाकडात जातो, पण खिळ्याच्या डोक्याकडील भागाकडून म्हणजेच पृष्ठभाग जास्त असताना तो लाकडात जाऊ शकत नाही. Now, let us try to cut the tomato with the help of knife. For this we have two knives. One of them is sharp and another is blunt. Let us try to cut the tomato with the help of the blunt knife first of all. You can see that we cannot cut the tomato with the help of the blunt knife. Now let us try to cut it with the help of the sharp knife. You can see that it can cut very easily. बोथट चाकूच्या मदतीने एखादी वस्तू कापण्याचा प्रयत्न आपण करतो तेव्हा ती कापली जात नाही, पण धारदार चाकूच्या मदतीने मात्र एखादी वस्तू आपण सहजपणे कापू शकतो. Above experiments tells us that if area increases, pressure reduces for the same force, and if area decreases, pressure increases for the same force. पृष्ठभाग कमी असताना बलाचा परिणाम जास्त होतो हे आपल्याला यावरून दिसून येतं. From this, we can derive the formula of pressure. Pressure is equal to force upon area on which force is applied. Now let us see what is the unit of pressure. We know that the unit of force is Newton. Area is measured in square meters. Therefore, the SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, which is also called as Pascal.
Let us now carry out this simple experiment. For this experiment, we need two pieces of sponge, one ruler, and three soaps. First of all, place the ruler on the pieces of sponge. Now, let us keep the three soaps at different points on the ruler and observe the effect of pressure on the ruler. You can see the soaps are kept at different points on the ruler. Now let us Put all these 3 soaps in the center of the ruler, one above the other, and observe the effect of pressure on the ruler.
तीनही साबणा पट्टीच्या मधोमध ठेवल्या असताना बलाचा परिणाम जास्त होतो, म्हणजेच दाब जास्त पडतो, हे आपण या प्रयोगावरून समजून घेऊ शकतो. Air pressure is exerted on all objects kept in the air. When a weight is kept on a solid, pressure is exerted on it, which depends on the weight and contact area between them. After that, let us study about the gas pressure.
Let us understand about the pressure exerted by the gas when it is enclosed in a container with the help of a balloon and a nail. First of all, let us inflate the balloon with the help of our mouth. When the balloon is inflated by filling air by mouth, it inflates on all sides. You can see the air that is entering into the balloon, it is exerting pressure from all sides of the balloon. The air is filled in the balloon.
फुगा फुगवल्यानंतर हवा त्याच्या आत जाते आणि त्याच्या आतून पूर्ण बाजूंनी सारखाच दाब लावते. फुगा सगळीकडून सारखाच फुगतो, यावरून आपण हे समजून घेऊ शकतो.
If a hole is created with the help of a pin in the balloon, let us see what happens. You can see the balloon bursts.
After that, let us study about the pressure on liquids.
Let us study the effect of pressure that is exerted by the liquid on its container. For this experiment, we need a water bottle and an iron nail. First of all, let us make 2 holes on the plastic water bottle at different heights. One on the upper side of the water bottle and another on the lower side of the water bottle. After making the holes, let us fill water in the bottle. We have filled the bottle with water. Now let us see what happens when we remove our hands from the holes. You can see here the water jets are coming from both the holes, but from the upper hole the jet is falling near the bottle, and from the lower hole it is falling farthest from the bottle. वरच्या छिद्रातलं पाणी बॉटलच्या जवळ पडतंय आणि खालच्या छिद्रातलं पाणी बॉटल पासून दूर जातंय, हे आपल्याला लक्षात येतं. So friends, with the help of the experiments carried out by Advait, today we learned about pressure and the effects of pressure on solid, liquid and gaseous substances. दाबाचा स्थायू, द्रव आणि वायू पदार्थांवर होणारा परिणाम आज आपण प्रयोगांच्या मदतीने अभ्यासला. In the next video, we will learn about the buoyant force and Archimedes' principle.